Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Me and my best friend Lauren are currently travelling Sri Lanka and today is a very exciting episode as today we are heading out to go from Yala, where we currently are, going to stop at Yala National Park on the way, which is really exciting, hoping to see some elephants and hopefully some leopards and other things, and peacocks and birds and monkeys and crocodiles. And then after that we've sorted this all in one tour with getyourguide.com. After that they're going to take us to Mirissa, which is our next destination, which is really handy because it wraps everything up in one guide and we get lunch included and everything's all paid for. We don't need to worry about anything, so we just thought that that was the easiest option because we did want to go to Yala and Mirissa was our next stop anyway, and the Yala tours can be quite expensive anyway, so we have paid £109 each for today, which I think is decent considering that it's taking into account all our food, all our entrance park fees, all our transport and everything like that. I'm pleased with our deal and I'm really excited for today. Are you excited, Lauren? So I'll quickly show you a quick room tour before we leave. You will have seen that our alarm went off early today. It is 4 AM. They're coming to pick us up in 15 minutes. It's a couple hours drive, I think, to Yala. And then we're going to spend 3 hours there and then drive on to Mirissa, which is in the south. This has been our bed for the last 2 nights. Excuse the mess. We are in a little hotel called Ella Hilltop Guest House. Or if you can hear the fan in the background, we have this whole area which is like our little bedroom area, and then when you walk through here, this is like a little vanity kitchen area, which we've kind of just been using for surface area because we don't have a lot of surface area in the other room, but it's got like coffee, tea, kettle, hair dryer. And then through this door here we have the bathroom with the toilet, and then the shower's just around the corner as well. So I think this place is costing us like £12 a night each, but it's basically like a whole apartment. And you will have seen in the last vlog that the views from out here are insane, but like I said, right now it's 4 AM. I don't think the views will be any good. So let's go on our early van ride and go to Yala National Park. goodness. There's a baby! As you can tell, it is now the next day again. I have a horrible habit of not really ending these vlogs, but I thought I would give you a little recap on the safari. It was absolutely amazing. It exceeded all my expectations. There was such a wide range in landscapes as well. We saw like rocky hills, like plains with like just empty land, and we saw like woodland with like jungle and stuff like that. So many places for the animals to like hide, so they're not coming to the road if they feel like they don't want to. There's like, sorry about the noise, I don't know what those bangs are for. It's Sri Lankan New Year today, so a lot of things are closed, so there's more bangs than usual, but we've been hearing bangs our whole time throughout Sri Lanka, and I thought it was guns at first, but guns aren't really allowed in Sri Lanka, so I don't know what it is. If you know what it is, please tell me in the comments. The animals are completely like not able to come out if they don't want to. They've got lots of places to hide. The park is absolutely massive. I don't even think we covered like all of it. It's completely by luck if you see any animals. We saw deer, a tortoise, a crocodile, monkeys, which I wasn't expecting. What else did we see, Lauren? We saw water buffalo, warthogs, and hogs, and we saw like 4 or 5 elephants. We saw a couple at the start.
45 elephants.
Does anyone want a best friend? I'm putting her up for auction. So we saw 2 elephants at first. One was walking away from us in the distance, but the other one was just coming out the water, which I filmed obviously. That was so fun. And then it crossed in front of the safari in front of us, the Jeep safari, which was really cool. Lauren got a better video of it than me, which I might put up on the screen now. It was amazing. And then later on we were kind of hurtling towards the exit. Our time was up. We had 3 hours there. The driver kept getting calls, so I think they were like calling other safaris if they'd like seen anything, other Jeep safaris, and we saw some elephants. They were kind of hidden by the bush, but I think there was like 3 or 4 of them and a little baby, which was amazing. Obviously the videos aren't great because they were behind the trees, but we could see them and they were like breaking down the branches to eat them and stuff like that, which was so cool. I was really impressed by seeing the monkeys. They were like different monkeys than we'd seen before. They were like jumping up and down the trees, and I haven't seen those monkeys before. They weren't the normal type of monkeys. What was your favourite that you saw?
What is the elephant? The elephant in the water.
Yeah.
It was, like, blowing on himself.
Yeah, it kept like holding its trunk at its mouth and then just going.
And also crossing in front of the Jeep as well.
Yeah, that was really cool.
We got a good view for that as well. Like if we were 3 cars back, we wouldn't see very much.
Yeah, exactly. There was only one safari in front of us and it crossed in front of that one. It exceeded my expectations. I knew I was going to have a fun time, but me and Lauren both said that now we really want to go to Africa and do a safari in Africa. Really like ignited a desire in me. I kind of knew that I did always want to go and do one in Africa because it's a massive bucket list moment, but then doing this I was like, wow, it must be really worth the money. And also I think the African ones are a lot more expensive than what we did, so that is an amazing thing to be doing in Sri Lanka. If you're coming to Sri Lanka, did you know that you can go on safari? And definitely book a safari. But yeah, after that we got out of the Jeep, and then in the tour that we booked is included drop off at Mirissa. So we moved back into our vehicle that picked us up at 4 in the morning, and then he drove us here to Mirissa, which we are at now. Today, like I said, is Sri Lankan New Year, so most things are actually closed. We kind of struggled finding breakfast this morning, so I think we're just gonna have a beach day and relax and try and find any food and shops open that we can. We're paying like £12 each a night again.
I think it's less than that.
Well, yeah, we did the maths. I think it's £8 each a night, which is really cool because we've been paying that for some hostels in Thailand, so this is amazing. The only one complaint I have is that the Wi-Fi is only downstairs in the lobby. There's no Wi-Fi in the rooms, but this bed It's one of the comfiest beds that I've had in Sri Lanka. The beds in Sri Lanka have been really comfy, but like you've probably seen, we've sort of switched out hostels for a bit nicer hotels and stuff. We're nearing the end of our trip, and I think we value comfort a little bit more now, and everything is so cheap in Sri Lanka anyway that we don't mind spending a bit more on our hotels. But this is amazing, and it's £8 each a night.
So this is the room, as you can see. So
A bit messy.
This is my area. You can see all my.
You're half the room.
There's a wardrobe. It kind of smells a bit when you open it. And then we have a little dresser and a mirror. Usually we don't actually have a mirror in the room, so it's very exciting.
That's really nice. A place to get ready that's not in the bathroom, because obviously we're sharing a bathroom right now.
A bedside table each, and also a plug next to our beds each, which is very exciting.
Yes, we talked about that in Chiang Mai. We don't always have a plug each.
And then this is the bed. It's 2 single beds pushed together with one sheet on it.
We don't mind that. You didn't hog the sheet last night.
I'm usually a cocooner, but I restrained myself. Also, it's kind of really tucked in, so I can. And we have a TV. Literally every room seems to have a TV, but we never ever use it.
My side of the room.
And there's stuff so here if you want to hang some clothes, which is very good. And then the balcony.
Do you want to show them the ants coming out of the pizza boxes?
We got pizza last night and then left the boxes outside because ants, and now there's a little family of ants have moved in.
So I don't think we'll be using the balcony very much, but it's nice to have. We've got this thing which we're not entirely sure what it's for. Maybe it's just to keep us like more cool, because otherwise the sun would be beating in.
That's true, actually.
Got a little seating area, and there's our family of ants that have moved in.
Hi guys. I don't want to get too close.
Hi guys, hope you're enjoying all that. And beside here is like our only window, so because the balcony is like frosted glass, this is kind of our only natural light, so we've kept that semi-open. We've got 4 bolts, which is sort of annoying, but I feel very safe. This place is called the White Hotel in Mirissa, White Hotel Mirissa, and we are by the beach, and we think this hotel is like someone's house. Like there's a lovely family that own it downstairs, and just brought us a plate of snacks, which is really nice because they're all celebrating the new year downstairs obviously. So I'm not entirely sure what all of those
I think it's all veggie because I don't think they do meat on the holidays.
Yeah, well everyone here seems to be, well not everyone, but most people here seem to be vegetarian because of the religions, I think. Oh my god! Try it on camera.
It smells, I think it's just a poppadom.
Ooh. That was the longest bite in existence.
I don't know what it is.
So I think those are like poppadoms, just a little fried vegetable thing, bit of cake, another fried vegetable thing actually, and 2 little bananas.
It smells like a fruit cake.
Oh, I thought it was going to be like a samosa or something. Let me see inside. Oh, that's not what I was expecting.
A bit gingery.
Oh, we're going for a full tasting, are we?
And this is, I don't know what this is, but it's like a fried cake.
Oh, everything's quite sweet then.
Oh, that is really sweet.
Oh, I'm not sure if I'll enjoy that. I'm much more of a savoury person than a sweet person.
Spiced cake
Oh,
in batter.
and we know what bananas taste like.
I know what banana tastes like, so I won't do that.
So, what do you give the plate overall?
6. Well, no, maybe, like, I don't love the food, but I appreciate the gesture. And it's not their fault that I don't like it.
Go on, show us the bathroom.
Go on then. In toilet.
Mm-hmm.
In baño, as they say in Spain. We have a shower. It's got one of the big. Oh, we've actually had quite a few overhead showers, which is really nice.
But I tried to put it on this morning, and the weakness was not very strong. I used that one instead.
There's lots of space for all of our
Yes,
toiletries.
that's imperative.
We appreciate that.
Oh, I need to charge my toothbrush actually. Just
So
take.
we've got like boy and girl toothbrushes.
It's mummy and daddy toothbrushes. I hope that you enjoyed today's video with the safari and the hotel tours and everything. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be back next time with a brand new Sri Lanka vlog. Bye guys!